How to ask your partner for more intimacy. Have you ever felt like you and your partner could use a little more closeness, a bit more connection? Well, you're not alone. Many couples find themselves in this situation at some point in their relationship. But fear not, because today we're going to explore some tips and strategies on how to approach this delicate conversation with your partner. Setting the stage. Before diving into the conversation, it's important to set the stage. Find a quiet, comfortable time to talk when you both are relaxed and not distracted. Create a safe space where both of you can openly express your feelings without judgment. Express your feelings. Start the conversation by expressing your feelings and desires honestly. Use I statements to communicate how you feel and what you would like more of in your relationship. Remember, this is about sharing your needs, not blaming your partner. Listen and validate. After you've shared your thoughts, listen to your partner's perspective. Validate their feelings and show empathy towards their point of view. Understanding each other's needs is crucial for building a stronger connection. Collaborate on solutions. Work together to find solutions that work for both of you. Brainstorm ideas on how to increase intimacy in your relationship, whether it's through more quality time together, physical touch, or open communication. And there you have it, some tips on how to ask your partner for more intimacy. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, and addressing your needs openly and honestly can lead to a deeper connection with your partner. So don't be afraid to have these conversations and work together to strengthen your bond.